Hello guys, how are you? I am Sheikh Manidin. Today we discuss about chapter 2 psychology. The topic is nature of educational psychology. Let's I give notes. All of you take notes. Chapter 2 Nature of Educational Psychology. In the foregoing discussion, we have substantiated Peel's definition of educational psychology as the science of education and established beyond doubt that the nature of educational psychology is nothing but scientific. Moreover, in discussing the nature of psychology, we have clearly shown that the basic nature of the subject is scientific. Since educational psychology is an offshoot and part and parcel of psychology, its nature cannot be different from the main subject. Educational psychology possesses a well organized, systematic, and universally accepted body of facts supported by the relevant psychological laws and principles. It is constantly in search of the truth, example, studying the behavior of the learner in relation to his educational environment. Moreover, the findings of such study are never taken as absolute and permanent. The results of any study in educational psychology can be challenged and are modified or altered in terms of the latest explanations and findings. It employs scientific methods and adopts a scientific approach for studying the learner's behavior, setting of hypotheses, objective observation, controlled experimentation, clinical investigation, and generalization based on adequate similar evidences provide enough reasons for its studies to be termed scientific. The processes and product of these studies are sufficiently scientific as a high degree of logical viability, objectivity, reliability and validity is maintained in carrying out the study and research in the field of educational psychology. Educational psychology does not accept hearsay and does not take anything for granted. It emphasizes that essentially there is some definite cause linked with a behavior and the causes of this behavior are not related to supernatural phenomena. Educational psychology is mostly concerned with the what and the why of happenings in the present instead of caring for the past. Therefore, in its study, it focuses attention on problems like the present behavior of the learner, the causes of such behavior, and the repercussions if it were to continue unchanged. It is a positive science rather than a normative science. Unlike the sciences, it does not concern itself with the values and ideals. Therefore, instead of answering questions like what ought to be, example, why education should be provided and what type of education is to be provided to the children, youth or adults, it focuses attention on providing the key to the how, when, and where of education for providing its worth as a science and technology. The generalization arrived at and conclusions reached through the study of educational psychology are sufficiently reliable and thus, like the sciences, these can be used for predictions of behavior in similar situations. R.B. Cattle, the modern psychologist, believed so much in the predictable quality of these studies that he persisted in defining personality as the attribute which permits a prediction of what a person will do in a given situation. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you. At the same time, those are your friends are prepared for PGTRB examination. You are share to them. They also prepared for psychology subjects. If you want more notes like this, please write a comment. At the same time, subscribe my channel. Those are still not subscribed my channel. Thank you so much.